Have you ever felt instantly relaxed entering a room full of plants or just watering your own? That's serotonin at work. A study 2023 from University of Technology in Sydney have found that keeping one plant at your desk can reduce stress by 37%. Here are 5 plants that can help you reduce your stress and that they are really easy to care for. Plant number 1, lavender. Lavender has very calming smell. Studies have shown that it can lower the stress by reducing the stress hormone called cortisol.
It's great for bedrooms and workspaces because it can help you sleep better and stay focused. Lavender needs bright sunlight and soil that drains well. So water only when the soil is dry and place it on a sunny windowsill or near a light. Good news for you. Lavender is safe for your pets.
Plant number 2, snake plants. Snake plants are really easy to care for and can clear your air by removing toxins like formaldehyde.
It's very easy to care for. It can live in a low light and does not need much water. Make sure to water it only when the soil is completely dry. This plant is perfect for your desk, bedroom, or any dark corner. Snake plants are toxic if eaten by pets, so keep them out of reach.
Plant number 3, peace lilies. Peace lilies are not only beautiful by their white flowers, but they can also boost humidity and clean the air for you.
They work well in kitchens, bathrooms, or on a desk that gets indirect light. You water them once a week, and for better watering, watch for droppy leaves. They show when the plant is thirsty. Peace lilies are toxic for pets, so be careful if you have animals at home.
Plant number 4, spider plants. Spider plants are very hardy and can grow very fast. They can clean your air and make you feel less tired by removing pollutants.
They like indirect sunlight and can handle a little bit of forgetful watering. Water when the top layer of the soil feels dry. You can hang them in baskets or put them on a shelf in your workspace. They produce little pups that you can share with your friends.
And at last, plant number 5, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very useful plant. Its gel can be used for skin burns or sun care. It also can help clean the air.
Aloe vera grows well in bright, dry places like your kitchen, counter, or office desk. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks. Aloe vera is mildly toxic, so keep it away from your pets.
That was for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. And I hope that you find some inspiration for your stress-free environment.